Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayowa and I'm a pattern drafter, a fashion designer and a style enthusiast. And this channel is solely devoted into helping you simplify fashion, learn pattern drafting and create all the many different styles you've always wanted to make. And today I'm going to be showing you how to convert this blouse we made last week. It's a bell sleeved blouse, by the way. So I'll be showing you how to convert this bell sleeve into a more refined puffy sleeve. And if you would like to learn how we made this blouse, kindly click on the link in the description box, which takes you right to the video where I showed how to make this blouse. And also, if you'd like to learn how to draft a basic bodice pattern right from scratch, click on the link below, directly below this link, and then it will lead you to that video also we made of how to draft a basic bodice pattern. So the first thing we are going to do right now is to loosen up a bit of the side seam like this, just so that it creates an opening where the elastic will pass through. Then I'll pick up my elastic band and measure how much I'll be needing for the sleeve. So for me, I'll measure around my wrist right here, because that's where the length of my sleeve gets to. So that gives me 7 inches. So I'll measure that 7 inches straight from my elastic, and then I'm not going to be adding any form of allowance or ease or anything. All I'm just going to do is cut this 7 inches out of my elastic strip. So I'll just that right now. Then I pick up a pin and stick to this elastic and then pass it through the opening, and then I'll be doing that right now. Right now that the elastic strip is completely inside the closing, what I'll be doing right now is stitching it here. I'll stitch it down here with a straight stitch, just so that when I keep moving my pin inside, the elastic doesn't go through, doesn't enter through. So once I stitch it down, all it does is just keep pulling and pulling and pulling. So I'll be going to stitch this down right now. Now that it's stitched down, I'll just keep pulling my pin through the closing. So now that the elastic is out of the other end, what I'm going to do right now is just stitch this down right here, just like I did for the first part here, this part. So I'll stitch this down also. Now the next thing is to close back up the side seams we opened earlier. So we close it back right from where we stopped, where we loosened it up to, up to the end by 1 inch. And that's the end of this video. Sometimes wearing a full-on bell sleeve can get a little boring, but with the help of this video, you can easily switch it up into another style anytime you want, like this puffy sleeve, right? So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.